I'm starting right.
I'm Montrese Etienne, and I am the founder and owner of Wild Tender Ranch. And we are a Four Directions sanctuary here in California on the coast, Pescadero, California. I'm reaching out. I want to reach out to people because what I'm looking for is some alliances. What we do here at the ranch is, I feel, really important in these times of change where we are losing many sacred sites around the world for prayer, and horses are in great distress, and children are disassociated from nature, and people are trying to find ways to heal themselves that aren't found in hospital halls or doctor's offices. And those are the things that we're addressing here at Wild Tender Ranch, and we've been doing it for about 11 years now. And today we're at the tail end of the Hummingbird Festival, where about 200 women have gathered to share wisdoms about the waters of the world, about what it is to be a woman in these times, and how to bring forth indigenous healing, and everything from about how we raise our children to how we take care of our water to how we interrelate with each other. And Wild Tender Ranch is currently under threat, and we're seeking alliances to preserve it in perpetuity, and to make sure that it stays a place where people can gather, and where nature stays pristine and protected, and where horses and all kinds of animals that belong in this setting, from the raptors to the bluebirds to the hummingbirds, can be safe and spend their days in the glory that they're meant to. And so I'm hoping to reach out to people out there who share these visions and want to see land set aside for the solutions that we all seem to agree are at hand. So this is an ask, essentially. I'm calling out to you. We've got these beautiful 40 acres here that we want to make untouched and safe into the future. And if you're at all interested or know someone who's interested, please contact me. I can be found at Dream, DREAMN, Dancer, DANCER, @gmail.com. And I would love to talk to whomever might be interested.
Hey, 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 hey.